Welcome to the Talking Crosswalk. Please do not jaywalk again. Please do not jaywalk again. Thank you.
Never did in the first place.
Press button to cross.
Wait.
10, 9, 8, 5. Oops, I forgot 6 and 7. A ticket has been issued for jaywalking.
What? What do you say?
A ticket has been issued for jaywalking.
What? What do you say?
Return to the previous corner and press the button or a ticket will be issued.
What are you talking about?
A ticket has been issued for dog crossing. Press button to cross. Stop. Go back. Yes, press button to cross.
The button is pressed.
Ticket has been issued for jaywalking.
Daddy, sending you a ticket!
Please pick up your dog while crossing the street. Your picture has been taken and a ticket has been issued for jaywalking. A ticket has been issued. Press button for surprise.
Wait.
A ticket has been issued. Your picture has been taken and a ticket has been issued for jaywalking.
Oh, that is
What did it
hysterical.
say?
Gentlemen with the dog, press the button to cross, please.
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please pick up your dog
Why?
while crossing the street.
Okay.